Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best preschool backpack and lunchbox set on the market, the Fimibuke Kids Backpack for Schoolgirls. This three-piece set includes a lightweight, waterproof backpack, an insulated lunchbox, and a convenient pencil pouch, all designed specifically for young students aged 6 and up. What makes this set stand out is its thoughtful combination of style, durability, and functionality. The backpack itself is made from high-quality, waterproof polyester fabric that not only protects your child's belongings from rain but is also lightweight enough for daily use without causing strain. The vibrant diamond purple design adds a charming and elegant touch, making it a favorite among elementary, middle school, and even some high school students. Measuring 17 by 12 by 6.5 inches, the backpack offers ample space with multiple compartments. There's a roomy main compartment large enough to hold a 15.6-inch laptop, textbooks, magazines, and A4 files. Which makes it practical not just for preschoolers but also for older kids who need more room for school essentials. In addition to the main compartment, there are 3 front pockets for easy access to smaller items, and 2 side pockets perfect for water bottles or umbrellas. Comfort has also been a major focus in the design of this backpack. It features ergonomic, breathable shoulder straps that are thickened with sponge padding to reduce pressure on little shoulders. There's also a chest buckle to help stabilize the backpack and prevent it from slipping while walking or biking, which adds an extra layer of safety and comfort. Reflective strips on the straps enhance visibility during low-light conditions, giving parents peace of mind when their kids are outdoors in the evening. The included lunch bag is more than just a simple container. It's insulated with double-walled vacuum technology that keeps food and drinks fresh, hot, or cold for hours. The lunch bag is made with a waterproof exterior and a food-safe lining that's easy to clean, making it ideal for busy school days or outdoor adventures. It also features a comfortable handle and an outer zipper pocket for quick access to small snacks or utensils. Completing the set is the pencil pouch, designed to keep pens, pencils, and other school supplies organized. Its wide opening allows kids to easily find what they need without digging around, which helps them stay prepared and focused. This backpack set is versatile too. While it's perfectly suited for school, it's also great for travel, camping, or hiking with its durable construction and practical features. Whether you're looking for a back-to-school gift or a birthday surprise, this set balances fashion and function, making school days easier and more enjoyable for your child. Overall, the Fimibuke Kids Backpack and Lunchbox set combines durable materials, ergonomic comfort, and stylish design in a thoughtful package that supports your child's daily activities. If you want a reliable, attractive, and practical backpack set that grows with your child through different school stages, this one is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest reviews of the best products out there. See you next time.